Hello, everyone. This is Mr. Suraj, and with me, one of my student from the UK-based university. He is the international student, and he is here, and he wanted to share his experience learning with me and my colleagues, basically. Hey, hi, dear. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. How's everything going?
Yeah, everything is good. How about you?
Yeah, yeah, all good. I have my master's now.
Congratulations
Thank you so
on
much.
completing your
Thank you so much.
masters
Yep.
in the aerospace. So
hmm
yeah, can you please share your learning journey with me and my colleagues in short?
So about like a year and a half ago, so I started my master's, and then once I
Mhm,
started my studies, I faced a lot of difficulty in the subjects that I was studying, especially with CFD and fluid mechanics. And
mhm,
because I struggled with like basic fundamental concepts at the beginning, so
mhm,
I needed help understanding these
mhm,
basic concepts and then build upon them.
mhm,
So I contacted Suraj, and he was very
uh-huh,
helpful because he was very well connected to many tutors, the
mhm,
experts that are the experts in the field of aeronautics. And
mhm.
we started taking sessions on CFD and fluid mechanics,
Correct.
and they were very helpful because they had a pad and a pen, and
Mhm,
they helped me understand all the concepts using like practical examples, which
mhm,
helped me understand very well. Plus, we
mhm.
solved a lot of questions.
Yeah.
Apart from only like understanding the concepts, we solved a lot of questions that helped me
Mhm,
understand more and be able to get along with how problems are solved. I
mhm.
also received a lot of help that I needed for some courseworks and projects. Uh, of course, yeah, courseworks and projects because I faced some difficulty with using some softwares,
Yes,
solving certain very complex problems.
correct.
I really needed a lot of help with that. So with their help and my with my effort in learning and understanding how
Mhm,
the concepts are applied, I was able to do well
mhm.
in these projects and courseworks. And not only I took sessions in CFD and fluid mechanics,
Uh-huh.
uh, I also took sessions in other modules that
Mhm,
I really needed help in, such as control theory, performance
mhm.
management, aerothermodynamics,
Yes,
and also another subject called applications of CFD.
yes,
So
yes.
these are all other subjects that I received a lot of help with.
Yeah,
Uh,
and there was one more subject like that. Linear algebra was also there. Machine
Linear
learning.
algebra, yes, yes. I
Yeah,
forgot, almost forgot. Yeah, the linear
yeah.
algebra. This was a mathematics-based programming module,
Mhm.
which
Yes,
I really needed help with because the programming was very complex. So I
yes.
really needed help with understanding how to use Python and MATLAB to
Correct.
uh, to solve these complex problems. So it
Yes.
was complex programming. So they really
Mm.
helped me like, to understand how to be able to code
Mhm.
in a complex manner, and I was able to
Mhm.
understand. And then I managed to do it by myself. Uh,
Mhm.
to these codes and understand them and be able to acquire
Mhm.
the obtain the correct results. So that was also one of the subjects that
Mhm.
I had gained a lot of help with. And the good thing about
Yeah.
Suraj is that you don't have to worry about looking for other tutors. He does everything,
Yeah.
so is well connected with the experts and
Yes.
tutors in the field, and
Mhm.
that is very helpful because you
Yeah.
don't have to worry about looking for anyone. He also
Mhm.
gives you the option to choose from other experts, from multiple
Yeah.
experts. So
Exactly.
you have like sessions. So you have like sessions to test to see if you like the expert or not. And then if you don't
Mhm.
like them, then you can go to another one and so on. So that was very helpful as well. So
Exactly.
the major part was the well connected. Yeah, I have a lot of connections. And also one more thing, there was also
Mhm.
apart from the well connected part is that he finds experts very fast, ASAP. Like we can I can message Suraj, be like and be like I need to find I have session soon, and he delivers.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, but
Yeah,
that's it
yeah,
overall.
exactly. Yeah.
Well,
It's
yeah,
not
that's it
only me,
overall.
like my team is there. So
Yeah,
they
the
are
team.
always
It's
super
yeah, the team.
fast.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. There's a team that so there was another Sakshi. There was a Sakshi who organizes the
Yeah.
meetings as
Yes,
well.
yes.
So he has a full team that helps him like organizing meetings and
Yes.
uh, organizing the sessions like the times with the other
Correct,
experts.
correct, correct,
So yeah,
correct.
that was
And
very helpful. Yeah,
yeah, and like
yeah.
I wanted to mention like one of your thesis project, master thesis project, where
Exactly.
you was working, and then like two or three experts was continuously working with you, right?
Yes, exactly. Yeah. So I struggled at first with my master thesis because I used this software called Star CCM, which I
Mm-hmm.
lacked a lot of like expert knowledge in, and
Uh-huh.
two or three experts really helped me to understand and know how to use the software. So they
Correct.
basically taught me how to use the software, and then
Mm-hmm.
after that, I was able to use the software by myself to solve to perform my simulations for my project. So that
Correct,
was very
correct,
helpful. So
correct,
yeah, he
correct.
had a lot of experts in the field of aerospace and aeronautics.
Mm.
He had a lot of
Yeah.
experts and using the software to
Mm-hmm.
and not only Star CCM, there's a lot of softwares for simulations, and he has a lot of experts that use also other softwares. But
Mm-hmm.
yeah,
Yeah,
I
thank
received
you.
a lot of help in that. Thanks. So yeah,
Thank you,
you're welcome.
Mustafa. Thank you, dear. And
Mhm.
like another one point regarding the
Yeah.
payment, you wanted to mention anything like the payments we did in the part wise and the milestone based, right?
Yeah, so we agree. So we agreed on a price first, and then what
Mm-hmm.
happened is that after a couple of sessions, a couple of hours, we agreed on a payment. Like every couple of sessions, we agreed a payment to also
Mm-hmm.
reduce the cost of the transaction fees
Correct.
for me and for Suraj. So
Yeah.
we organize payment every couple of sessions. So you don't have to pay immediately after the session. You can pay. You
Exactly.
can agree with Suraj on a payment plan every couple of hours or every couple of sessions to pay, and that was very convenient. And we used Remitly, which was very easy to pay with.
Yes, 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 yes. Yeah, yeah,
Yeah,
yeah. Thank you, dear, for all your
mm,
kind words.
no problem, no problem.
Yeah.
Thank you, thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you. Have a nice
Mm,
day. Yeah, all the best. Yeah, bye.
thank you so much.